Today I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. And a pie chart basically takes our total amounts and shows us the different parts that make up that total amount. And so therefore each part makes up a piece of the pie in our chart. And to do that, of course, you're going to use the total amounts, and so that's one reason why I've got the table made up like this. So therefore we would not highlight all of this stuff necessarily, because we don't want that to go into our table. What we're going to do is hold down our control key like I showed you, and we're going to click and drag, and this is all I need are the colors, and then I need the totals for those colors. That's all I need for my chart. And so once I have the selection made that I want, I'm going to go to the Insert tab to open that ribbon, and I'm going to go to my chart section here in this group, and we're going to choose Pie Chart. And you're going to notice we have several different types of pie charts we can use. One is a 2D pie chart, and we can do a regular one or an exploded one. Those are the only two in that section that we would do. The same thing for the 3D pie charts. We have a 3D regular chart and a 3D exploded pie chart. We're going to choose the 3D regular chart. I'm going to click that, and you see that it's created my chart here. And the first thing I want to show you how to do is, in this case I've got colors, but they don't match with the colors of the pieces of the pie. So I'm going to click once and then click again, and it's going to outline one piece of the pie. And so now if I right click on that piece of the pie, I can do one of two things. I can go to Format Data Points and choose Fill Color, or the easier way is to click right here in my shape fill and choose, in this case, red, and it's going to make that piece red. And the same thing, I just now have to click once as I go around here, and this one's going to be yellow, and the next one's going to be brown, and I'm just going to continue doing that as I change the pieces of the pie, the colors, as we move through this pie chart. And make that one orange. And so now we have the different pieces of the pie chart, and we have our legend over here. Now once again, we could do a number of different things, such as adding chart titles. So I could click on the layout, and I could add a chart title, put it here above my chart, and see, highlight this, call it M&M, since that's kind of what we were putting in here. And the same thing with the legend. You can move it around to put it wherever. I like it where it's at, so we're going to leave that alone. Now I do want to add data labels, so I kind of know how many pieces were in each pie, and I'm going to click on data labels here in the labels section, and you can see we can center them, we can put them on the inside end of the piece of the pie or the outside end, or the best fit. I'm going to put these on outside, and so it made it a little smaller, but you can see we have this many for each piece of the pie, and that helps us kind of figure out how many are there. And once again, just like everything else that we have, if I want to click on that, I can change my font color. As you saw, each one of them is highlighted, and I could change them singularly if I wanted to by clicking on it again, and then I could change that one and make those the same color as the piece of the pie. So that's a way we could design it to look a little neater. So all of this goes together in creating the pie chart, and if you need any help with that, you can always let me know.